everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. We are on day 4 of this journey, and as we've been talking about the past couple of days, I wanted to talk about the FUD that's happening in the markets. It is Friday, September 24th, and earlier this week we talked about Evergrande in China. Well, as you know, FUD, it's an acronym that stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It is a strategy to influence perception of certain cryptocurrencies or the cryptocurrency market in general by spreading negative, misleading, or false information. So, yeah, as we talked about Evergrande. Well, yesterday when we were talking about FUD, I mentioned that China may ban crypto again for the 10th or 12th time. Well, you know what? Guess what? Yep, China did it again. They're banning crypto again. And let me just bring up a couple of the headlines over here. Here we go. So as you can see, there's a lot of here's just a Google search, and as you can see, everybody's covering it. Yahoo Finance, BBC, CNBC, Yahoo Finance again, CNBC, Market Watch, Reuters. Yeah, so basically, I don't know how they did it. A few months ago, China, they already banned crypto for what I thought was the last time when they banned the miners, and not sure how you can ban something that's already banned, but yep, they're banning crypto again. Let me bring up Coin Market Cap. I just had it on the screen, but here we go. As you can see, all coins are down. We got Bitcoin down 4% to 42,000. Ethereum down to 2,900, which is a pretty good price. Cardano, actually, you know what? Cardano reversed. That was negative a little while ago. Binance Coin, BNB down. XRP's up a little bit. So there's a little reversal for some of the coins. So we might have hit support, but Solano's still at a good price at 140. Polkadot $30. So yeah, as you can see, everything's down, but it looks like we may have hit support. So it might be a good time to buy. I might have to add a couple of those new bots and coin pairs that I was looking at. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's pretty funny. It's funny. Actually pretty crazy because like I told you, we always get more and more FUD every single time where it looks like we're about to take off and hit all-time highs. There's some new FUD that happens, and we crash down, or we do a little pullback, and the FUD just keeps stacking on top of each other, and not sure who is benefiting and how. Actually, I do have a theory, but that's for another conversation. You all are here for the Crypto Bot journey, so let's just get to it. Just remember, if you are new to crypto, try not to pay too much attention to the FUD. If you've done your research and believe in crypto and the technology, you don't need to pay too much attention to the headlines, because you know where crypto will be in 5 to 10 years. Now with the bots, you can really just pretty much just set it and forget it, and it will grow on its own. Well, that's what I've been seeing for the past couple of days. And at least that is the thesis, and that is what I'm trying to prove with this journey. With the ups and downs of the market, you're able to trade while you're doing other things. It's really a passive. It can be a passive income stream, or like I said, it's the thesis, and that's what I'm trying to prove. So having said that, let's get into the bots. Here we go. So here are the bots, and actually it's increased a little bit. So here's my first bot. As you can see, it's been running for 4 days and 3 hours, and it's made me a bot profit of $75 for 2.52%, which is pretty damn good, if I have to say. 2.52% over 4 days. The coin pair, even though we're having a little downturn in the market, the coin pair, I guess I bought it at a good price because it's still up as well. If you minus 75 from 144, because I did start with 3,000. So the coin pair itself probably is up about 70 bucks or so. My second bot that I started 2 days ago, 2 days and 2 hours ago, is at a $7 profit, and the coin pair is down a little bit at 29.59. So added together, my sum bot profit is $82 for a return of 1.37%, and my total profit and loss is at $113. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So the first bot, it's done 413 transactions for me so far in 4 days, which, is pretty hard to fathom. That's pretty much allowing for very little lunch and bathroom breaks if you were to do this full time. And my second bot is 69 trades over 2 days. So let's look a little bit at the charts and see what's done. So this is the second bot. And actually, is the second bot? No, this is my first bot. So as you can see, the reds are the sells, the greens are the buys, and yeah, there's a lot of wiggle here, and that's what we want, a lot of wiggle where it goes up and down in price so that the trades can fill. And that's why there's so many trades in the past couple days. So let's look at the other bot. The second bot, it has not as many trades for the past couple days. As you can see, it's still wiggling a little bit. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Yeah, so like I mentioned earlier, it looks like it may be a good time to buy a couple of these coins because I've been wanting to get into a couple of them, and with the little pullback, it might be a good time to get in, and we'll see some wiggle with it, wiggle with it. So yeah, like I mentioned, so that's enough for the bots. And like I mentioned, actually here, I think I have another slide here, profit and loss. So here's my total profit and loss. As I mentioned, it's actually, I took this snapshot about 20 minutes ago, and as you can see, it says here $72 from my first bot, and that is actually wrong because the first bot made 74 bucks. So yeah, in 30 minutes it made a couple more trades because this essentially says 72, but yeah, it made me $2 more. So yeah, while I was doing this video, it made me a couple more dollars. So yeah, really does look like it's passive income. So like I mentioned in my last video, the program that I did purchase where I learned about these bots is called The Plan by Dan Hollings. I was in beta group 2, which started last month in August. They just opened up beta group 3, and it's open up for a few more days. I believe it's closing on September 28th, which is about 4 more days. So if you are interested in learning more about the program and what it entails, you can register for a webinar and quick training. I think they're going to teach about the bots and go over exactly what comes with the program. Like I mentioned, I just started on my trading bot journey, so I can't tell you if it's 100% worth it yet, but after 4 days, I can tell you that my 2 bots are profitable. we will get a better sense of how profitable the bots will be after a month or so. But right now, it's looking really, really promising. And if I get a couple more of the bots in and um, give it a little bit more time to let it do its thing, looks like it can do some passive income. So, I mean, we'll see. You'll have to follow along on this journey, but if you are enjoying following along on this journey, please remember, please do subscribe and smash that like button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this page. I'm super happy to have you join me on my journey. And as I said, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. I'll see you tomorrow on my next video. Thanks.